viewers, in this episode we have a special guest here. This is my nephew Adil. He is going to introduce a new dish for us. This one he always makes and it comes out really nice. Adil, so what is the dish?
It is Kentucky fried beef.
Okay.
In this, it is a twist on Kerala beef fry,
Okay.
in which I have incorporated the concept of Kentucky fried chicken.
Okay. So let's see how it is done.
For this recipe, I have used 500 gram of boneless beef. I have cut the beef lengthwise. Now I add beef to this pressure cooker. Now add 100 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Now add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and some salt to taste. Now stir it well as it coats evenly. Now I have mixed all the ingredients well. After this, I am closing the lid and increasing the flame. Keep this until there is 1 whistle. It's been 10 minutes. Now open the pressure cooker and remove the beef from it. Evenly separate the beef from the stock. Drain out excess water from this. The remaining stock can be used to make beef stew and other curries.
To a big bowl, add half cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1.5 tablespoon pepper powder, half tablespoon white pepper powder, 2 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoon of ketchup, 3 tablespoon of beef stock. Crack 1 egg. Now add 1.5 cup of water. Now add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Mix together till you get a thick batter. Slide in the boiled beef and now coat the batter evenly. Now coat the beef with some crushed cornflakes. Now fry the beef for 5 minutes or till golden brown. That's it. Your fried beef is ready to serve.
Now our Kentucky fried beef is ready.
Okay.
And I'll give you to taste this.
Looking delicious. Now my favorite part, let me try. I'll dip it in some tomato ketchup.
How is it?
Wait, a minute. It's very good as always. It's juicy and succulent. So you all try it. It's a very simple and easy recipe, right? So if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, CookeryShow. And see you. Bye bye with another simple video.